Now though, let's get some weather prospects. Louise is here. Louise, hello.
Thanks, Ellie. Good afternoon, everybody. Now, if you're going off on holiday this weekend, you're probably thinking to yourself, haven't we timed this right? And yes, really is the answer. Not very pleasant out there. Plenty of thunderstorms around at the moment. Quite a lot of cloud as well. You can see where the main cluster of storms are across East Anglia, stretching up through the Midlands and the north of England. Here we've got a severe weather warning out. Some of these showers really quite heavy and quite frequent, and they've really organised themselves into narrow, nasty little bands of showery rain, really, and they'll continue for the next few hours to come. So we've got this severe weather warning. If you are on the roads during the evening rush hour, some of those showers could be heavy and slow moving. Not quite so bad a little bit further north. A cluster of showers across eastern Scotland as we speak. As we move down to Northern Ireland for the journey home for you, not too bad at all. Quite quiet, fairly cloudy skies, but nevertheless relatively calm here. Similar story as well through much of Wales, largely fine and dry to end your day with 18 degrees, but a northwesterly wind, and that's something that we could certainly do without at this time of year. Similar story down into Cornwall and Devon, largely dry, largely quiet, 17 degrees by 6 o'clock in the evening. There's that cluster of showers then across the Midlands and perhaps into parts of South Oxfordshire and East Anglia as well. Should stay largely fine across that south coast. Now, as the evening continues, we will start to see the wind swing round to a north-northeasterly and quite blustery as well. They're going to drag in more showers. In fact, if anything, heavier and more widespread across southeast Scotland for a time, and then northeast England, drifting into East Anglia and eventually into that southeast corner. Overnight, the further west you go, again, it's that quieter feel of things with lows just staying into double figures. So we'll start off tomorrow with the best of the brightness along the south and the west. That's how it's likely to lie throughout much of the day, but a real cluster of showers, particularly through central and eastern areas. Some of these quite heavy, accompanied by this brisk north to northeasterly wind, will make it feel quite disappointingly cool, really, for the time of year in the northeast of England. Where we get the best of the sunshine, we could see highs of 21 degrees. Now we've got the Crystal Palace Athletics meeting taking place. It looks as though showers not really going to be the order of the play, but that's what you're going to get. Some sharp showers on Friday and on Saturday. Those showers continue in the southeast. Elsewhere, as we move towards the weekend, drier and brighter and just getting that little bit quieter for all of us. Fingers crossed it continues along that vein, but I doubt it. Take care.